All right, guys, so if you've had your solar pool ionizer for a number of years, like I've had mine for 3 years, you can see it's getting a little faded and old. Still works great though, right? Eventually, you're going to come to a point where I'm going to show you, you need to replace your anode inside, right? And what the anode is it's this copper piece inside, right? And you can see this copper piece is like destroyed, right? And this was at the time the only solar pool ionizer available. Well, what I mean was it was a standard size. There was no high capacity sizes like we have now. So you may have bought this 3 or 4 years ago, like I did, and you just bought the standard ionizer, right? So now you're gonna find that everything they sell for replacement is a high capacity anode. And what that is, it's a lot larger than the original anode. This anode's worn down, but this is as tall as it's ever been. So this is a lot larger. And what happens for whatever reason, guys, is when you go to screw this new anode on, everything looks great. You're like, oh, the anode's larger than the old anode. It's going to be high capacity, right? And they give you a larger basket. You can see the old basket for the old anode is a lot smaller than the new basket, right? Okay, all good, right? So you go to put that on there, right? And you take I come to find this is an M6 threaded wing nut bolt, right? And you go to screw that in, but for some reason, it doesn't reach. If you guys can see, it's just not quite reaching. The bolt is not reaching the anode, right? So you're like, what do I do now? It's just, I'm not gonna be able to get this basket on there. You could do a lot of things. You could cut your basket, but that's not gonna be practical because it's gonna need to be cut like right in the middle here. And then it's gonna be like, have all these soft edges, because if you look, the basket's not that much too big, right? You could do that. You could go online, you could buy some nylon M6, I think it's 20 millimeter butterfly bolts if you want to go buy them on Amazon. Problem is you got to buy like 50 of them. It's like 20 something dollars. It's like, and it's going to take a while to get them shipped. Just impractical, right? So what I found was, guys, the only and easiest solution that you can do is just to get your new spring, put it on there, and just use your old basket. Use your old basket, watch, I'm going to show you, and just kind of thread this on like you would normally, right? Look. And you're going to have a little bit of an imperfect gap. See that gap right there? It's really not going to hurt anything. It's just for aesthetics. If you really don't like it, you could probably slide the bigger basket over the little one and really reduce the gap. And this actually fits on there pretty snugly. I hope this helps you. The link is in the description for these high capacity anodes. And now you know what to do with them.